Following a series of outcry of abandoned projects in the country, the Federation of Construction Industry has claimed that its members cannot be held responsible for the backlog of non-continuation of projects across the nation. The president of the Federation, Chief Vincent Barra, was speaking at the 68th Annual General Meeting in Abuja, where he explained that the effort to find a lasting solution to the challenges of construction company with the Federal Ministry of Works has not yielded the needed results. He said the Minister of Works has not given them the desired attention and opportunity to reach a common ground regarding the ministry's policies, which he said is not in line with the standard construction contract agreements. He said these challenges is attributed to the laying off of workers due to lack of funds, as many companies can no longer continue to keep their workers without work for them to execute.
As a federation, we have written letters. We wrote a letter to the Honorable Minister of Works, Senator David Umahi. We had meetings with him twice to resolve the pending issues with our members. We also wrote to the Minister of Justice. We also wrote to the Presidency. We also wrote to the BPP, Bureau of Public Procurement, for their intervention. But as you can see in our annual report, till date, all efforts by FOSI to resolve these issues have not yielded the desired results. So our members will not be held responsible for what is happening, for bad roads, or for non-continuation of works, because we have to rely on our employer. We need that understanding with our employer. If we are having problem, we go to our employer, the Ministry of Works, and we ought to sit down and resolve those issues. But we know they are also engaging somehow. But we want to tell you that as of today, most of our members are still having the same problem.
Speaking further, he said these challenges are also caused by growing bad condition of Nigerian roads, saying that most companies are not actively working on site due to major challenges they are facing with the Ministry of Works.
The condition of roads are usually bad during any rainy season, as we are experiencing now. But the period, this particular period this year, has gotten worse because most construction companies are not actively working in their sites due to major challenges the companies are having with the Ministry of Works. So most companies are merely on site, but they are not actively working. If they were working actively, at least that will ameliorate the present potholes that continues to increase in size as a result of rains. So the challenges that the companies are having with Ministry of Works is one of the major problems why the situation has gotten even worse this year.
We've sought several complaints. We've been to his office. We are surprised that under a democratic rule, the minister can so treat Nigerians, not only Nigerians, the association and unions of the construction industry. So we made the efforts to reach him, and that was even what prompted us to go to the press and granted the president.
You ask questions about casualization. It's a major problem in our industry, a very major one. And we don't expect a worker who is working to have insurance policy coverage. They work under the cause of going to work. They don't have job, and that is why they go to job. They don't have any insurance, no policy. And we have been crying as a union that all workers in the industry should be normalized so that they can work like a normal person. This is what we have been crying for. And though we are not here for that purpose, we are here for the policy of government, the minister, saying that revised to concrete roads Doing that, changing policy, also changing the situation in the construction industry because workers are put aside. The employers are sacking our members at ease. We don't have any to how to protect them. Because if you don't have job, there's no how you keep workers. And these are the problems we are facing. And today, we know the insecurity, we know the challenges that hunger is. And we expect our members who are working before to continue to work. And this is our expectation as a trade union.